Hey everybody, David R. Becker here with BeckerArt, and in today's video I want to go over my YouTube channel and how to use it to make yourself a better artist. I've been doing these videos and I'm actually at 699 videos. Actually, this is the 700th video, and I thought, boy, this is a good time to maybe tell you how to use my YouTube channel and make yourself a better artist, and how to use my paint-alongs. I do a paint-along every Thursday night at 6:30 Central Standard Time, which is for you to then paint along with, or, and I'm going to explain that in a second, how you can use those videos to better yourself in watercolor. And then most of them are watercolor, but there's some others in acrylic. But out of 699 videos, I'm sure you'll find something that'll make you a better artist or help you in lessons and how to create some of the watercolors that I had created. So let me just go over really quickly where you can find this. First off, first you're going to have to go to youtube.com/@BeckerArt. And if you even Google BeckerArt or David R. Becker YouTube videos, you come right to it. And this is the front of it right here. And though, then also, if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button right there. You know, subscribe to the channel, and then you always find out when I'm doing new things and when I'm out doing things live, you know, on plein air and in my studio. And every Sunday morning, I also do a demonstration on me just teaching myself things. And I'm in my studio. Sometimes I'm outside, plein air painting. But the first thing I want to explain to you is these paint-alongs. Because I got a question from one of my students, and they're asking me, you know, how do I use your video? You know, your paint-alongs, especially your paint-alongs. You know, I can't quite go as fast as you can because you do it in 1 hour. Most of my videos are 1 hour long, the ones that are the paint-alongs. And I'm thinking of maybe trying to cut them a little bit shorter just so that you don't have to watch for a whole hour, but still get all the gist of it. But when I'm doing them live, you know, it's an hour is a pretty fast way of making a painting, but I can maybe even go faster. if I give myself a timeline, it usually is okay to do it in that time. But anyways, so what I was saying is that the student had asked, you know, do I have to paint along, and you know, how do I do it that fast? And first things first is that you don't have to do it in 1 hour. You definitely don't even think about the time and how long it takes you to do it, because that has nothing to do with anything. It doesn't matter how fast you do your paintings. It doesn't matter that I do them in an hour and that you do them in 3 hours or 4 hours, or maybe you do it in half an hour. The time does not matter. It's the lessons learned within the lesson that I'm more worried about. And so what to do is you click on the video. I actually, when I do them live, you can go to my website at davidrbecker.com. Is go there and they'll give you the time of day, and you know it's always 6:30. I mean, yeah, 6:30 Central Standard Time on Thursdays. And if you subscribe, I'm sure they even give you a link, and they may even email you that I'm doing that video that week. And I have about at least 70 or so people each Thursday and Sunday morning watching. You don't get everybody watching that's all subscribed, but you know, you average about that many people. So then, you know, are you painting along at the same time? I would say 1% is painting along with me. It's just would be too hard, and so what a lot of people do is they watch and they ask questions, and then afterwards, these videos are up here forever, and so you can just go to that video later on and then do it at your own pace. And so what some of my students do is they start the video, watch my first wash, because I do everything in like 3 washes, or I get to a certain point where they say stop right there, and they can do that part, and until I go to the next thing and the next thing. So they just go along, and if you're doing it while it's live, if you stop the video while it's live, then you're no longer live, because you'll always be a little bit farther behind. You know, so that's how come some people don't like it, because then when they put in a question, it doesn't match to what I'm actually on at that time for the live video. So you can do it while it's live, but realize that if you stop the video, it then becomes not live anymore, because you're going to be behind a little bit. But you can also do it the day after, you know, week after, 3 weeks after, a year after. All these videos are up here for you to constantly look at and be there forever and ever. And so with that being said, how do you find the videos? And then I'm going to show you that you do not, a lot of people like to go up here and see the search bar right here. That's not where you search for my videos. See right up here where it says search and a little magnifying glass. That's not the place you want to search my channel at. You want to search my channel right here. See that where it says search? And so let's say we put in, let me just get this out of the way here. And this area I'm going to search, and let's just say value sketch. Maybe you want to learn how to do value sketches because that's very important in my thing. Now I don't have everything lined up so perfectly as a school, like week 1 or painting lesson 1, 2, 3. You know, it's been so long, and I'd have to redo all that, and I may be thinking about doing that though. But right now it's all very much, pretty much all over the place. I got 700 videos up there now, and so it's going to be like you can kind of look for the first, or you can type in, you know, beginner this or value sketches. Let me just put in value sketch, and then I'll hit enter, and again it's right in this area right here. Whoop, not that. I don't want to move that. Let me just lock this into place. Sorry about that. And so you're going to take this arrow, come on, this right here, that's where I typed in value sketch, and then you just hit enter. Oh boy, did it go away. Sorry about this. This is real time, so let's see, we're going to put down value sketch again, and then hit enter. And so it comes up with everything on my channel. It's only my channel. You're not searching the whole YouTube, because if you do it up there on the tops of the screen, you're going to get the whole of YouTube. This is just my channel. The little magnifying glass down below here, that's my channel. And so now you can look and say BeckerArt, making a pencil sketch, value sketch, understanding value pattern sketching. And so all these things are in there, and it'll give you many, look at how many videos that have something to do with composing with one color, value sketch. So just put in the word of what you want to learn at that point, and I'm sure there's a video up there about it. And then just look through here and find the video that you're looking for, or one you think may be okay. Like I said, I don't have them lined up as in lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. You know, I should have done that a long time ago. But like I said, I'm not a video photographer or something. I'm not a school. Basically, when COVID hit, I decided to do videos to teach everybody. And so I'm trying to organize them a little bit now, but I figure before this, I'm just going to give you this little video on how to get to there before I actually make something like this up. And so, because it's now 700 videos, it's almost too late. But it isn't, and the fact that I will go in there and maybe start renaming them and making them more like this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. But you can use the paint-alongs. What I'm talking about on paint-alongs is that you can come here on Thursdays and get them while they're live, or you can follow along while they're live, or you can do them while on your own time. You basically take these videos will be here forever, and there's no charge for using any of them. You can go on them, and you can go through them slowly, quickly, watch them all, take them and do them as you're painting. Like go and watch the first step of that video, and then just take it to a certain point, stop it because it's up there, and then just do your wash, and then do it again, and then again, and again, and again. So I have everything from drawing to using black paper, and everything from, I pretty much have tried to do as many videos of all kinds of things when it comes to watercolor and painting in watercolor that you can possibly think of. I'm sure out of the 700 that I have up here right now, there's something in there that'll help you with your watercolor journey, basically. And so let me think else. What else again, so to search it again would be right here. So again, searching it is search my YouTube channel. And again, my YouTube channel is BeckerArt, or youtube.com/@BeckerArt. So just type in BeckerArt to find out all my videos. And then please subscribe. It really helps a lot for you to be subscribed, because you get all my new videos each time. I'll tell you when I have a new video. And then when you go to my YouTube channel for my Thursday or Sunday morning videos, live videos, because those are all live. They're basically all live. And you can ask questions in there. And even after the video is done, you can ask questions even afterwards in the comment section. Below the video, there's always a comment section, right? And so you just comment in there or ask questions, and I get an email from that, and then I will answer you back. So don't be afraid of, and also you can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thumbs down helps me up just as much as a thumbs up does. And so either way, you may not like the video or you do, but please let us get involved with the video. And it's all good for me, you know, so just, and I hopefully it's good for you too, to be able to help you in your journey to becoming a better watercolorist. And every week I have, you know, I think I have about 5,000 subscribers right now, but during the videos, I may get, during the live videos, like I said, I average about 70 to 80 people watching and actually asking questions and stuff. And I actually want you to ask questions because it's very important to me to know that you have questions and that I'm doing the right thing. So that's what I wanted to bring across to you this week in this newsletter, because I've never done this before, and actually show you how to use my video and how to maybe just, you know, again, time does not matter on how fast you do your video or how fast you do your painting. Don't try to paint along. I know it's called a paint along, but usually you're not painting along live. You're painting along afterwards, and you're using the video, which will be up there forever, just to kind of cut and then paint, cut and paint, cut and paint. So just, you know, you're going to stop the video, and you can do that. And so, guys, I've been looking at a bunch of the schools that do teaching art school where you're paying, and I do the same thing, but for free, and you just have to stop the video, and the videos are all there. I just don't have them really cataloged and indexed really well, and so I have to probably do that one of these days and index it right so that people can actually find certain videos. But they're all out there, so give it a shot. Search a video that you wanted. Let's say you want to work with one color. Just put in one color into your search, and it'll come all the things. Let me just do that real quick and show you again. So you go right up here. I'm just going to type in here one color. Oops, let me put it in there real quick. Come on, you gotta hit that. You gotta hit the thing. So I'm just gonna put in one color. And again, so here it goes. So BeckerArt, one color watercolor exercise demonstration, one color study in watercolor, demo paint-alongs. So there's all these look at one color study. There's many one color studies. So you just have to know what you're kind of going for, and I'm looking for, type it in, find it, and then play it. You know, basically, then you hit the video itself, and it comes up, and here's the one color study. This is actually a short, so this is not actually the lesson. This is a short, and YouTube also has shorts, but I put the shorts in there, but so not that one. And so we'll go back. Let's see if we can go back. Let's hit another one. And so this is a different video. Of course, you're going to get some commercials, but just skip that right away, and you go right back into it. This is this year's one color study that we started this year. So there I am, and we'll be probably, and also in my videos, I rate a beer or a drink, which I started during COVID, and so it just kept on going from there. So basically, you know, use the video as much as you want, use it, and please share the idea of going to my videos and learning how to do watercolors. And if there's any comments that you want to make that to make them better, and I would love to hear it. You know, I can do whatever I can to make it better for you guys so that you can come here and learn a lot about watercolor. All right. So until Thursday night, which we'll be painting a scene of a lady walking down a European village. And so that's what we're painting this Thursday, a paint along, which you don't have to paint along as the time. Again, doesn't matter about the time that you use to do the video or do the painting. It's all about you having the video available for you that you can stop it and go and just watch me during the live. Usually that's what most people do. All right. So until Thursday, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.